As a part of IBM Hackathon, we, the team COVID Warriors from BIET Hyderabad, decided to develop a viable solution for remote education in lockdown period. This is the application developed for primary students from class 1 to 4. There are various online systems to distribute the interactive audio and video content of tutor to the students, but there is no solution to effectively manage the available content as per the need of the student. So we have decided to develop an IBM cloud-based virtual class system. We have used IBM Watson Assistant service from IBM. In the existing system, the system is manual and student needs to visit the laptop with mobile unit and sit personally in front of it to listen in stipulated time. The student and college personnel sit in front of it to listen in stipulated time. The student and college personnel both have to sit at the remote locations at the same time. So we have proposed the system which is shown in figure. As shown in the system, there are request collector units which are nothing but our 3G or 4G mobile phones, but we have to configure it with added security. The system divides the whole city into various clusters and students have to send their choice. Cluster is a point from where the actual requests are collected. The following diagram shows the brief details. So as shown, there are various request cluster units from various clusters are connected to cloud. We are using IBM Watson Assistant. We are collecting requests from request collector units, and the cloud will send the request to assessment and content delivery manager, which will assess and manage the content as per the request. In existing system, there is no real-time system which provide this kind of services in one click. As said, we are using the IBM cloud services to implement the solution for the education community, which will provide the student to listen the content as per his convenience and learn and proficient in the skill. Thank you.